All right, so I get this question a lot about Jamaican citizenship. Persons want to get Jamaican citizenship by descent through their grandparents because they say they don't have information for their parents. So I have a client right now who says he'd like to get Jamaican citizenship through his grandmother, but his father is Jamaican. If your parents are Jamaican, you do not need to go through your grandparents. Why? You can't do it through grandparent without your parents' birth certificate. And if you have your parents' birth certificate, you do not need to do it through your grandparents. So the only reason you do it through your grandparents is if your grandparents were Jamaican born, but your parents are not Jamaican born. You have to show that this grandparent you're claiming is Jamaican is related to you, and your parent is the link between you and that grandparent. So you need to have birth certificates for your parents and your grandparents. And if you have